Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Murding MUA, and today we're going to be talking about my BoxyCharm February 2019. I'm going to talk about all the products and how it worked on my skin and all that jazz. Before we get started, I want to talk about two things. One, it snowed, so it's going to be a lot of road noise, tires, snow chains, and I'm so sorry about that, but there's nothing I could do, so I'm sorry. Second thing, I want to talk about how sometimes I can have a speech impediment problem. I've had it since I was 3. I went through 15 years of speech therapy, and this is the end product. Usually it doesn't come up a lot, but when I get really nervous, like being in front of a camera, I tend to stutter. So I'm sorry about that. In the future, it won't be so much of an issue. It'll come up time to time, but when I get more comfortable in front of the camera, I'll be fine. So let's get started right away. And so let's talk about skincare, because skincare is the base of your makeup. You have a good skincare routine, you're gonna have good makeup. And this is called the Farmacy Ultra Gentle Skin Cleanser. And basically, it's good. I've only used it for about a week, so I haven't seen crazy changes. It's also snowed, so my skin's all dried out. And it's also near the end of the term, so my acne is very, very, very stressed. But yeah, so far it's worked really well. And what I really like about it is how it foams up. I like how it foams up. It leaves my skin really clean. Like, I feel really clean, but it doesn't have that tightness that a lot of cleansers have, that you feel like it sucked up all the moisture. It smells nice, smells like honey, but it doesn't smell like a crazy amount of honey. It smells like honey and soap. So it smells really clean and I like it. So let's go move on to the next product, which is gonna be primer. And I really like this because it smooths out the skin. This is called the No Pore Problem Primer. It's by Touch and Soul. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It came with a little top, but I've lost it already because I am me. I'm sorry about my nails. I haven't done them for a while. I'll do them eventually. So yeah, let's try it on right now because my skin really needs it. So this is kind of what my skin looks right now, like what my skin looks like right now. Kind of rough. It's kind of like really bumpy right here, right here. It's clear on my forehead, so I like to take a pump of this and then put it in my hand like this. And then I kind of like to dot it like this. I like to put like stuff right here too. And then I use 2 pumps because I'm extra. Because I like to put a little bit on my forehead, but I like to target this area a lot more. And then I just rub it like this. With gentle movements. Don't be like rough like I just was. And then I like to rub it all over my acne so it smooths out that too. I like to put it on my eyes too because I prime my eyes like that too. So as you can see, it kind of smooths out my skin. Like, not a crazy amount, but it does smooth it out a lot. I really like this. This is what I put on this primer even if I don't put on makeup, because it doesn't take out the redness of my skin, it just smooths it out. And so let's move on to the next product. Yeah. So let's talk about TreStique. It's a lip color glaze. So that seems fair enough. This is what it looks like. The color doesn't show up a lot, and I'll show you. So you put the primer on. I'm gonna put the primer on first. I'll show you what I'm talking about when it says the color. Sorry, I bumped into something. Doesn't come out a lot. Do you see that? So what I like to do is to get this product working, I'll just rub this base color on first, and then I'll do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll make it more precise later. So this is going to be coming back because it's a weird, tricky product, at least for my skin. Alright, so the next product I'm going to be showing you guys, it's going to be this guy right here. and it's the highlight. But before we do that, I have to put on my makeup. So basically I'm going to be putting brows, foundation, and all that jazz, including like the bases of like the eye stuff. But I'm going to also use this as eyeshadow because it's a little dark for me and I want to make sure it looks good. So I'm going to be also using this as an eyeshadow. So I'll be right back and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. What's up, you guys? I am back. So let's get on right to highlight. So this is the highlight I'm using. I'm also using this brush. This is the Illuminator by Bean Gucci? Graphy? I don't know. This is what it looks like, guys. Just a simple highlight brush. So let's dip right into it. I think it's a little too dark for me, but we're gonna do it anyways because it's a highlight. I'm also gonna use it as an eyeshadow brightener right here. It's nice and pretty, and it works. I think it'll work a lot better with a darker skin tone. So if you have a darker skin tone, I think this will work amazing on you. I'm gonna be using it right here. So what I'm gonna do is gonna take my finger. Okay. So this is what my makeup looks like. It's really pretty. It's kind of basic. So we're also gonna go back to this guy so I can show you the full look of this guy. You could kind of see that's kind of what it looks like on the tip. So I did put the primer on and I did put a little bit on so it kind of goes on better. So you saw me kind of work through it. It's kind of tricky to work with because it doesn't like to put pigment on right away, so you have to like put a couple layers on. Saying that, I really like it. It works. It's really comfortable on the skin. It doesn't go everywhere when you eat. It does come off because it's not a matte lipstick, so it's gonna go everywhere. It's not kiss proof or anything. I just think it doesn't move around a lot and it comes off really well. Like it kind of just fades off and you could just reapply it throughout the day. So I think it's really good. And so I'm gonna put eyeliner, mascara, and then I'll talk about this guy. I'm not gonna put this on again because I'm using a different mascara to make sure I use up all my products, stuff like that. But I will talk about it because I have used it before. So let's go in the future when all my makeup's done. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I am back. I have finished my whole entire face of makeup. This is all I'm going out like today. And so I wanted to talk about the last product that I didn't put on but works really well. It actually works better than the mascara I have on currently, and that works really well. So this is the Better Than Sex Mascara. It works really well because it lengthens and thickens my lashes really well. It does clump things up, but I'm very particular about my lashes because I have really long lashes, but I have really straight lashes, so they tend to clump up a lot, so I have to be kind of careful of them. But I would recommend this. Anyway, I'm very excited about everything I got in the BoxyCharm this month. Anyway guys, that's all I have for you guys. So make sure you leave a like and comment down below. Make sure you let me know what was your favorite products, or if you have any questions about the products I have tested down below. And also hope you guys have a lovely, fantastic day, and I see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye. Oh, and also subscribe. That'd mean the world to me. Okay, bye.